Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to copy your GitHub profile link. Please make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video, shall we? Right, on your mobile device, or if you're on a PC or laptop, open up any web browser and then head on over to that GitHub file. So for example, I'm on this Stick Cricket 2D. So if I want to click on their profile link, I'm going to click onto their profile there. And now to copy their profile link, just go on the search bar, click onto it. And now on mobile, you click on that share button there. And then what that will do, you've got a whole list of options down below. So I'm going to copy this, copy it like so. And then I can paste that to wherever I'd like to paste it. But if you want to quickly share a GitHub link, profile link, you can just share it down below here in Gmail, Messenger, Instagram, or your contacts down below. And yeah, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.